Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss Samsung Smart TV volume not working and how to fix the problem in minutes. Number 1. Check the remote control. Verify that the remote is functioning correctly. Press the volume buttons and check if the on-screen volume indicator responds. Replace the remote batteries with new ones. Ensure no buttons are stuck or unresponsive. Use the original Samsung remote to rule out compatibility issues. Number 2. Verify TV mute and volume. Ensure the TV is not muted or set to a low volume level. Press the mute button on the remote to unmute the TV. Use the volume up button to increase the sound level. Check if the volume indicator moves when pressing the buttons. Number 3. Check external audio devices. Test if external devices are causing the issue. Confirm external speakers or sound bars are powered on and have the correct volume level. Inspect and secure HDMI, optical or AUX cables. Disconnect external audio devices and test if the TV's internal speakers work correctly. Number 4. Adjust sound output settings. Ensure the TV is outputting sound to the correct source. Press the home button on the remote, navigate to settings, sound and then sound output. Select TV speaker if using the TV's internal speakers. Test the volume functionality after switching the output setting. Number 5. Reset sound setting. Reset the TV's sound settings to default. Press the home button, navigate to settings, sound and then expert settings. Select reset sound and confirm. Test the volume to see if the reset resolves the issue. Number 6. Disable Auto Run Smart Hub. Prevent Smart Hub from interfering with volume control. Press Home on the remote, navigate to Settings, General and then Smart Features. Turn off Auto Run Smart Hub. Restart the TV and test the volume. Number 7. Delete unused apps. Free up system resources by removing unused app. Press the home button, navigate to apps, settings, select and delete unused or rarely used apps. Confirm deletion and test the TV's performance and volume functionality. Number 8. Update TV firmware. Ensure the TV software is up to date to resolve potential bugs. Press the home button, navigate to settings, support and then software update. Select update now and follow on-screen instructions. Restart the TV and test the volume functionality after the update. Number 9. Reset the Smart Hub. Reset the Smart Hub to resolve potential conflicts with apps. Press home on the remote, navigate to settings, support and then self-diagnosis. Select reset Smart Hub and enter your PIN. Confirm reset and check the volume after the process completes. Number 10. Perform a factory reset. Restore the TV to factory settings as a last resort. Press home on the remote, navigate to settings, general and then reset. Enter your PIN if prompted. Confirm the reset and wait for the TV to restart. Reconfigure the TV and test the volume functionality. Number 11. Test another source. Rule out the possibility of a specific app or input causing the issue. Switch to a different source, for example HDMI input and streaming app. Check if the volume works correctly with other inputs. If the issue persists across all input, it is likely related to the TV itself. Number 12. Contact Samsung Support. Seek assistance from Samsung for hardware or advanced troubleshooting. Visit Samsung Support or call their helpline. Thanks for watching.